There's a moment where a man looks in the mirror and he doesn't recognize the guy staring back at him. Empty eyes, fake smile, heavy soul, no fire, no direction, just a quiet echo of what the hell happened to me. And if that's you, if you feel like you've hit rock bottom, good, because rock bottom isn't the end. It's the starting line if you choose to fight. You want the truth? Most men aren't broken. They're just lost, disconnected from who they were meant to be. You scroll for hours, hoping for motivation, watching other people win, hoping you feel something again. But nothing hits, nothing sticks. And deep down you think, I missed my chance. I fucked it all up, and maybe this is just who I am now. Let me tell you something brutal. If you accept that, you're done. If you believe that your story ends in defeat, mediocrity, or regret, it will. But if there's even 1% of you that's still breathing, still wanting more, still angry at the man you've become, then you've got everything you need to rise. A man doesn't drown by falling into water. He drowns by staying there. They lied to you. They told you confidence comes from looking good, being liked, achieving something. But here's the truth. Confidence is forged in the fire of your own suffering. It's born from doing the hard shit, especially when no one's watching. You don't become confident by talking to yourself in the mirror. You become confident when you wake up early, when you do the workout even when your body screams no, when you say no to distractions and yes to your discipline. Confidence is proof that you're doing what most men avoid, proof that you're not bullshitting yourself anymore. Delusional self-belief isn't arrogance, it's survival. Because when the world doesn't believe in you, you better be the crazy one who still does. Forget motivation, forget hype, they're temporary. You need discipline. The kind of discipline that makes people think you're obsessed, sick, extreme. Let them say that. While they're laughing, you're building. While they're distracted, you're locked in. While they're getting likes, you're earning scars. Discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. And most people, they'll never get what they want most because they're addicted to what's easy. But not you, not anymore. You're the storm, and storms don't ask permission to come. They just show up and change everything. You feel like you've lost everything? Then guess what? You've got nothing to lose, and that's powerful. Because now, it's just you and your choices. No safety nets, no one to blame, no excuses. It's just war, you versus you. And in that war, every morning you wake up is another chance to become someone they never saw coming. A king is not born, he is built in silence, in suffering, in solitude. The version of you that you're chasing, he doesn't exist yet, but he's watching. He's waiting to see if you're man enough to earn him. So earn him. You want to win? Then get delusional. Yeah, I said it. Because the world is full of realists who never did shit. They play it safe, they never start. They wait for the perfect time and die waiting. But the dangerous ones, they say, I don't care what the world thinks. I know who the fuck I am, even if it's not true yet. That's how you change your life, by acting like the man you want to become before anyone believes it. You fake it until you become it. Not for others, for yourself. You walk like you're dangerous. You move like you're focused. You show up like you're already successful. And guess what? Eventually, you are. Comfort is the villain. It's the soft bed. Then, I will do it tomorrow. The warm dopamine drip that keeps you average. Comfort is the killer of every dream. And if you're stuck, it's because you've made comfort your king. So what you do? You rebel. You make yourself uncomfortable every day. Cold showers, hard workouts, long study hours. No music, no distractions, no BS. When you can sit in discomfort and not flinch, you become dangerous. Because now you've become what most people fear. A man they can't predict. A man who doesn't fold. A man who doesn't need hype. You're not in it for attention. You're in it for results. A lot of you are waiting for clarity, for some sign, some map. But listen to me clearly, bro. You don't need a map when you're the one paving the road. You don't need to know all the steps. You need to take the first one, and then the next, and the next. Start waking up early, start working out, start reading, start meditating, start learning skills that make you dangerous, cut the comfort, cut the noise, cut the distractions. Build that 1% every damn day. Because you know what happens? When 1% turns into 100%, momentum starts kicking in. People start noticing, but by then it's too late. You're not the same guy anymore. You're not broken, you're forged, you're rebuilt, you're locked in. So yeah, there was a time you looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the man staring back. But that ends today. Because now when you look in that mirror, you see someone who's not done. Someone who's not soft, not broken, not average. You see a killer in the making, a king in the dark, a warrior in the mud, building in silence, while the rest sleep. You haven't lost everything. You've just been hiding from what you could become. Now, it's time to become it. No more waiting, no more hoping, no more maybe next month. This is your time. And if no one else believes in you, I do. Because you're not like the rest. You're still here, still listening, still breathing. which means you're not done yet. So rise, rebuild, reclaim. Until next time, keep working, keep grinding.